WWE Survivor Series 2019 results in match card. Cross-branded Battle Royal. Team Raw had OC. Team Raw had the OCs, Kurt Hawkins and Zack Ryder and the Street Profits. Team NXT had Forgotten Sons, Imperium, and Breezango. And Team SmackDown had the Revival, Heavy Machinery, Ziggler and Rude, and Lucha House Party. The winners of the match, Team SmackDown, Dolph Ziggler and Robert Roode. Akira Tozawa versus Lio Rush versus Kalisto. The winner of the match represented NXT. Lio Rush returned the Cruiserweight Champion. The Raw Tag Team Champions, the Viking Raiders, versus the NXT Tag Team Champions, Undisputed Era, versus the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, the New Day. The winners of the match, Team Raw, the Viking Raiders. 5-on-5-on-5 traditional Women's Survivor Series match. Team Raw, Kairi Sane, Sarah Logan, Charlotte Flair, Natalya, and Asuka. Team NXT, Toni Storm, Candice LeRae, Rhea Ripley, Io Shirai, and Bianca Belair. And Team SmackDown, Nikki Cross, Dana Brooke, Sasha Banks, Lacey Evans, and Carmella. The winners, Team NXT, Rhea Ripley being the sole survivor last, eliminating Sasha Banks.
Ain't nobody watching it.
The United States Champion AJ Styles versus the North American Champion Roderick Strong versus the Intercontinental Champion Shinsuke Nakamura. The winner of the match, the North American Champion Roderick Strong. Adam Cole versus Pete Dunne for the NXT Champion. The winner of the match retaining the NXT Champion, Adam Cole. The Fiend Bray Wyatt versus Daniel Bryan for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match retaining the Universal Champion, The Fiend Bray Wyatt. 5-on-5-on-5 traditional Men's Survivor Series match. Team Raw included Randy Orton, Drew McIntyre, Seth Rollins, Ricochet, and Kevin Owens. Team NXT had Damian Priest, Tommaso Ciampa, Walter, Keith Lee, and Matt Riddle. Team SmackDown had Braun Strowman, King Corbin, Roman Reigns, Shorty G, and Mustafa Ali. The winner of the match was Team SmackDown. Last person was Roman Reigns, last eliminating Keith Lee of Team NXT. Brock Lesnar versus Rey Mysterio for the WWE Champion. The winner of the match retaining the WWE Champion, Brock Lesnar. The Raw Women's Champion, Becky Lynch versus the NXT Women's Champion, Shayna Baszler versus the SmackDown Women's Champion, Bayley. The winner of the match, Shayna Baszler.